Hey guys, Tennessee Yankee. Hey, I'm out here doing a little bit of a pressure wash job on a little cement pad to try to prep it to do some staining. And I wanted to show you, I got a brand new Simpson Turbo Nozzle for my pressure washer. And man, this thing works fantastic. I'll show a little footage of me cleaning this pad off, but I had a previous turbo nozzle that just failed on me. I think it was a whatever Briggs and Stratton one, came with my original pressure washer, but it was leaking all around the black part here, and none of the spray was being directed out of the turbo nozzle. So I just picked this one up. Seems to be a really durable, high quality one if you're looking for this. And let me show you how it works, and I'll throw a link to this in the description if you're in need for one of these. I like how it seems like it's actually a little bit more extended than my previous one. So you got a lot of room to work with here. There's not much else to say other than to see it work. Wow, guys, that cleaned up beautifully. So there you go, guys, clean as a whistle. And that sure saves a lot of time over using a little nozzle like these. Hey guys, Tennessee Yankee. Thanks for watching. If you found this content helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button on your right. I have other content linked for you on the left side. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Thanks again for watching.